Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I'll explain the option boundary blend in Creo parametric. Here you can see boundary blend in surfaces option. It generates a surface between different curves. We need to select open profiles, not closed profiles, open profiles, two or more open profiles. Then surface is added between the selected profiles. To use this option, first create sketches by selecting plane. I go to sketch. I select arc. I created one arc on this plane. I go for OK. Then at some distance, we need to create another open profile with some distance of some 100 or 200 or 300 mm like that. So to create profile, we need to first take a plane, select plane, 200 mm. I give more distance. I took one plane parallel to that plane on which we created the first sketch. Now I select this plane, I go to sketch. I take one bigger profile. See like this, two profiles with some distance. Then to add a surface between these two profiles, we need to use boundary blend. Select the option select profiles. You can't select directly. Hold control. Then you can see surface is added between these two profiles. So this is a surface with no thickness. To add thickness in Creo, select that surface. Here we have one option thicken, where either inside or outside we can apply thickness. See 5 mm I entered, then or 10 mm I enter. Then we can see solid is added to the surface with the given thickness. So like this we need to use boundary blend. We can either select it directly on profiles, sketches, open sketches, or we can also select surface edges. See, I apply this boundary blended on surface edges. I delete this, I select and I right click, I go for delete, or else I delete here. This sketch also I delete. I went back, I want this plane. Okay, by deleting that plane is also got deleted. I take another plane. Okay, on this plane I go to sketch. I create an open profile. I go to spline. I go for OK. Then I apply extrude option to this curve so that surface will be added. Here I select surface. Reverse direction. Here we have a surface option in extrude. Do not select extrude as a solid. Do select extrude as surface and give some extrude length 200 mm, or I give some 500 mm. Then I create another surface with some offset distance. Here we have a plane. Now I select that plane and I go to sketch. Down to this sketch. Not curve. Now I go for a line which is downside to that previous sketch, previous surface, and also I reduce its length smaller in size. Then I go for OK. Now here I create another surface by going into extrude, select that line. We need to select this surface option, some 600 mm, see like this. Then to connect these two surfaces with other surface means if you want to join these two surfaces, that surface should start from this curved surface and it should end to this straight surface. Then use boundary blend, select this curve, then control, like this you can see a surface is formed joining these two surfaces. See like this. Then to add thickness, as we have seen here, thick option. See, for all the three surfaces, to add thickness by holding control. See, by holding control I selected all the three surfaces, but here thicken is not active, so it is not in active mode, so you can't use this option. Then if you select this single surface, then you can add thicken. See, some thickness, some 10 mm thickness I want to add to that surface. See like this. Reverse. Then no need to add, no need to use this thicken option 3 times. So before, like this, if you have a multiple surface, I delete this thicken. If you have a multiple surface, merge these three surfaces so it becomes a single surface. See, select all the three surfaces by holding control option. Then use merge. Then go for OK. Now apply thicken. Now select only this single surface. Then go for thicken. Now all the three surfaces got selected. I enter 20 mm. Like this, we can convert. We can add solid to the selected surface. So like this. So for this type of outputs, we use a boundary blend option in Creo parametric. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD System.